If your rice and peas don't taste like this, you're missing this one step.
A vegan lifestyle, money stack in a pile. Cook food, make moves, and me born fist style. Girl a bubble for the kingdom, love me profile. Every day I'm money and fun, me a live versatile.
Welcome people, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to make rice and peas Jamaican style. So these are the ingredients that I'll be using for this recipe, all right? I have some red peas, water, some parboiled rice. I have some coconut milk, all-purpose seasoning, butter, green onion, some thyme, pimento berries, some habanero pepper or Scotch bonnet. Scotch bonnet is the best one, but we can't find that right now. We have some garlic and ginger. So this video today, guys, is gonna be a step-by-step video. This was requested by one of my subscribers, so we're gonna make it happen today, all right? Yeah, man, forward. All right, guys, so you're gonna need about a half cup of water. Add your pepper. And by the way, these are already previously washed. So I don't want to come in the comment section and talk about, oh, no, wash the vegetable, the seasoning them. Yeah, everything already washed, guys. Yes. Drop in the pimento berries. This is about 10 to 15 pimento berries. You understand? Close it up. Yes. And the reason why I prefer to blend my seasoning, you know, it kind of infuse more into the actual dish, you know, so it's a better flavor. Yeah, man, so this is 2 cups of parboiled rice to be exact. We'll give it a nice little rinse. Drain off that water. Alright, so here what going on, people. So this is my kidney beans. You're gonna need kidney beans. In Jamaica we call it peas, red peas. Yeah, so you have 2 options. You can use the canned one, or you get the fresh one and boil it. That's gonna take a little bit longer. It's gonna take a longer time. It'll take you at least about an hour to boil. So if you prefer to use the natural one, the fresh one, boil it for about hour to an hour and a half, or until it's nice and soft. It gets to your desired texture. All right. So today, this is previously cooked. I cook it for about an hour in the pressure cooker until it kind of tenderize, soft up a little bit. You understand? So we go forward over this side. I'm making this one go on. Alright people, so we're adding about 2 tablespoons of butter. Salted butter. Then we're gonna drop in the rice. And right now guys, my stove is on high heat. That's how we're gonna start it out. And then eventually we're gonna turn it down. Add in our blended herbs. Just like that. Mix it up. Just for a few seconds. Come in a little bit closer so they can see exactly what's going on inside the pot right now. So this is how it's looking right now, guys. All that seasoning, all that herb. I will go add in about 2 cups of red peas. You understand? And like I said, the peas is already previously cooked, guys. It's already tender, nice and soft. Yeah. See that? Add in about a half cup of coconut milk. Add in a tablespoon of all-purpose blend. Stir it up. Oops, made a mess. Alright, stir it up, guys. Let me clean that up real quick. Clean that up. Yeah, man, so this is how it should be looking, guys. after about a minute. You see me like that? And then we're gonna add in water. So this is 4 cups of hot water, guys. I'm not gonna add the whole thing at once. I'm gonna add about 3 cups. Yeah, 3 cups for now. And if we need to add more water later, we can add a little bit at a time. Yeah. And this is parboil rice, guys, so it's not gonna be putty or mushy. It's gonna be nice and flaky, or according to the Jamaicans, them, you know, shelly rice and peas. Yeah, man, you know we love a shelly rice, you know? Yes. So we're gonna keep the stove on high heat for now. Then we're gonna close them down. And once it starts to bubble like soup, then we're gonna turn it down to about a low heat. Not on super low, but a little bit close to low heat. And then we're gonna let it cook for about 20 minutes after that. Yeah, man, so once it starts to boil, guys, the boiling process is gonna take about 5 minutes. You know, once it starts to boil, turn it down on low heat, and the rest is history. Alright? See you in a bit. Yes, people, it's smelling good. And like I said now, at this point, it's boiling, bubbling. So we're gonna turn the stove down right about now. Yeah, man, low heat, and make it cook for about 20 minutes until it's nice and shelly. See you in 20 minutes.
2,000 years later.
Yes, people, so this is how it's looking right now. We have about 5 more minutes left. We're gonna make some of that juice, that liquid kind of evaporate down a little bit. As me I say, make it dry out a little bit. Yes. So see that? It's already looking shelly. Still a little bit wet. So we're gonna give it 5 more minutes on low heat same way. Make it go on and do the trick. Yeah, man. Watch it. Yes, guys, almost ready. Yeah, man, so after about 30 minutes, guys, you know, cooking my rice for about 30 minutes, it's good to go. Ready, flaky, shelly. Come look at it. Let them see what I want. See the people. This is my rice and peas, authentic Jamaican rice and peas. As me I say, yes, people. So if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more authentic Jamaican recipes, you know, American cuisine, a little bit of everything. Yeah, man, that I go on, pan that I go on. Big up on yourself. Peace.